Hello everyone, this is an episode of Twins Review Tech, episode 3A. We're going to be unboxing the Pisen LCD Power Station, a 20,000 milliamp battery bank. Well, let's get into that unboxing. It is a nice package. It comes with a little plastic sleeve, I guess to protect the box. Either way, it's okay, but we got to get that off. Got to break the seal at the top here in a second after we look around the box. There's some good information on the back if you read the boxes. I don't typically do that unless I need to know what's going on, but it's a battery bank, so there's only so much you need to know about it. Here we go as we pull it out. Way to go, Brendt, there, not getting everything on screen. But on the bottom, that's not visible right now, is a micro USB. So that's how you charge it, obviously. It's a tiny little cable. I didn't measure it, but what would you call that? 6 to 9 inches, something to that effect. Either way, as I struggle to get it out, I had to flip it over and push it out. Typical paperwork underneath. A lot of it's in Chinese, I believe. And by I believe, I'm guessing. I don't really know. Another sleeve. They like those plastic sleeves. We get that off there and we'll look at it. It's a nice product. It's got some nice weight to it. It has a little bit of a texture on it. You see the power button on the side. That basically turns on the LCD that's on the front of it, which we'll see that here in a moment. The back of it has nothing on it and nothing there. And then there's the FCC information on the bottom. And thanks for showing us that blurry mess. Anyway, there's the goods on top. That's the charging port. And we have the two USB ports. Only one of them says smart, but to my understanding, they both are smart. In other words, they'll power whatever you plug into them and kind of figure it out on its own, whether it needs the 1.5 or the 2 or so for a phone or a tablet. And you can barely see the screen there. We'll get a closer shot here in a moment, but that's what you press the power button to get the screen on. Here we go. Press that power button, and there's the screen. And you can see how much battery life is left. That is really nice. But here is the LCD Power Station from Pisen. Thanks for watching.